And so welcome back to Inverness in the Spotlight. We're so glad you stayed with us and joining us in this segment. So once again, my name is Lace Blue McLean, and I'm with the Greater Inverness Old Town Association here in Greater Inverness, of course. That's where we kind of plugged into that name, and we're still getting used to that new name as well. So with me here in this segment is my partner, Katie Spires, who is a massage therapist, as well as Lulu Romo, who is our Tai Chi instructor. So welcome, ladies. We're glad to have you with us. Yes.
Thank you. We're happy to be here.
Yes, yes. So Katie, I'm so happy to have you as one of my as a partner as well. And you've been with me since the day that the studio is open, when we had that open house and had over 100 people. Was that not awesome?
That was an amazing open house.
It was an amazing open house. So, and since then, of course, you know, things have grown and we've changed things from that day that door opened, but I'm still excited that we're still growing and we have a lot of things ahead of us. But let's tell the viewers a little bit about you and what do you do. You're a massage licensed therapist, so just tell me, how long have you been doing massages, and how did you get into it?
I've been a licensed massage therapist now for almost 8 years. I got into it because I love working on people. I love helping people from a medical point of view, as well as relaxation. And ever since I started almost 8 years ago now, I've enjoyed every day. Great. And I'm so glad I'm here in the studio with you.
And I'm glad to have you as well. Well, let's talk about, you said you just love to work on folks as a massage therapist. Was there something that happened in your life that you realized that was a good therapy, or was it just something you were interested in general?
I would say I did track and field in high school, and I had pulled out a hamstring muscle, and I got to see a massage therapist for that. Mm-hmm. From that beginning point, I realized that massage therapy can help you in so many ways, and it can help heal you whenever you've had soreness or pains and injuries. So at that point is whenever I decided that was an alley I'd like to explore. And then once I got into the class, I realized this was definitely for me. Yeah.
It took off. Well, I applaud you, because in my yoga training, the anatomy portion just blew me away. So I applaud all the massage therapists out there. And let me tell you. Now, where did you get your schooling?
Actually, I went right here locally to WTI with Jeff Wood. He was my instructor. He was fabulous.
He is fabulous. He still is.
He is fabulous. He doesn't practice as much anymore because he's really done therapy now, but I mean, teaching others how to do therapy.
Right. He's the instructor for massage therapy at the WTI.
Mm-hmm. But that's where I got my training, and then he had his own office that I worked out of for a while, and I did a lot of work under him, and he taught me a lot of hands-on modalities, which were fantastic.
Mm-hmm. So you got to learn from the best.
I did.
Absolutely. Well, great. Yeah. And so what would you say, in general, the benefits of massage? For example, you said, you know, it helps with stress, so that's where it complements the yoga component as well with our studio, right?
Definitely. And then with the stress part of it, it also lowers blood pressure. They've done numerous researches, you know, National Massage Therapy Association, that's proven that it lowers blood pressure, it relieves the stress. It also relieves chronic pain, migraines, tension, muscle soreness, overused muscles. It's been actually proven to help cancer patients as well. So there's so many different...
You're really helping them heal and have a better attitude. Right.
Even if they just come in for relaxation alone, like you said, I mean, right there, that's a stress avenue. They get to come in and be nurtured, get the hands on, and they leave feeling great.
That's their time, regardless of what. So let's go back to the benefits. I know we found a list of the top 10 benefits of yoga, like Johnny Carson had at some point. But I think we're going to run out of time if we get into all 10. So what would you say would be the top 5 benefits?
Well, let me take a look here. Top 5 benefits that we found would include that they can soothe discomfort, reduce the aches that often include that are included with pregnancy. Many pregnant women enjoy it. Also, circulation. It also helps with stress on the body, which we talked about.
Yes,
so that's the top 3 right there. And then number 2 is it feels wonderful. It's nurturing. So
right.
And then the last one is that massage is something that allows you to come in and treat yourself because you're worth it.
Right. So the bottom line is everyone's worth it to have feeling better. So
Yes.
the massage therapy can help that.
Exactly.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you.
So next I want to talk to Lulu here about our Tai Chi component to the Wellness Center. Tai Chi is a great complement to the yoga component. And so with me here is Lulu, who has been doing Tai Chi for a number of years, right?
Yes, I've been doing Tai Chi for several years, lots of them, which dates me.
But that's
But yes.
okay.
Yes.
The more years just shows that you've got
Yes.
the experience.
Yes, I would say about 14 years I've been doing, not counting exactly, but yeah, 14.
Okay. And how many years have you been teaching Tai Chi?
Around 7 years.
Okay, so about
Yes.
half of that.
Yes.
Excellent,
Yes.
excellent. And where did you get your training, your certification?
My certification was done in Jacksonville, Florida, at the Tai Chi Kung Fu Academy. That is my master's school, and I still keep training with him. So yeah,
And so when you refer to your master, that is your instructor.
my Tai Chi
Yeah, right.
teacher, instructor.
Right. So in yoga, we have our teachers, our gurus too. So you refer to them as masters as well.
Yeah,
Exactly.
he's
Exactly.
considered a master. Yes.
Exactly. So you get trained with the best, just like Katie got trained with the best at WTI. Have you trained with the best and from your master as well?
Absolutely. I do train with Master Ken Lee, and also I train with the people who are the descendants of the Chen style, which I do, is the Chen style form. The descendants of Chen Wenting, who was the one that created Tai Chi.
Oh my goodness.
So they come to our country, let's say once a year, sometimes twice a year, and do seminars, workshops, and I train with them and follow their curriculum. So
Wow,
it's just amazing.
So what would you say is the benefits of Tai Chi for someone that's just walking in off the street? What would you say, why should you take a Tai Chi class? What would be the benefits for you?
I would say if you just walk just in this place, in this wonderful, nurturing place, and you're looking for balance and you're looking for a health benefits, that you would, I would say, try Tai Chi. I mean, Tai Chi, it's what makes you aware of your body, your structure, your balance, and
it's a very soft movement. So I've heard that it's very beneficial for seniors with arthritis problems, perhaps, want to work on their balance, and it's just a
Yes.
soft approach.
It is a very controlled soft movement. It's circular movements, very soft and controlled, and so you really find your balance and your eye and body
Yeah, right. So it really helps overall. Again, it's a nice
Overall,
approach.
your breathing,
Exactly, exactly. Well, ladies, I want to thank you for joining me on this segment. We're going to do this again here next in the near future, I'm sure. So stay tuned, and we'll be right back.